Hello there, it's Michael Finch again with your weekly forecast on netweather.tv. Now, here in West London, we had our first real air frost of the season, fog 2. And we're going to have some quiet weather, I think, coming up in the week ahead. I'm not so sure there'll be all that much, though, in the way of frost or fog. As for the pressure pattern, pressure is low at the moment in the Western Med and to the west of Biscay and high over Scandinavia. And over the weekend, the main high cell over the Atlantic will drift in towards and settle over the UK and take over as the main one. On Tuesday, though, the high declines and a front with some stronger winds moves into northwestern parts. The high then slips further east into western Russia, although it still remains powerful enough to make that front stall over western parts, eventually taking a few days to move east and then fizzle out. The low of the Mediterranean is still influential, and that throws a trough up across the UK with some rain at the end of the week. As for the temperature, with southerly winds, we're getting milder air at the moment, pushing into southern parts of the country, which is the yellow indication there. The temperatures, though, remain nearer to normal over most of the rest of the UK. And then as the new low takes over on Monday, so milder air again, that's that yellow, will come across all parts, this time from the west. Later on, a cold front will bring cooler conditions into the northwest, that's Wednesday, and this slowly eases east to all parts by Thursday. Daily forecast for Sunday, I think a mostly bright start for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but clouding over. England and Wales mostly cloudy with a little bit of rain and drizzle in places, but becoming drier over southern parts. Some fog around in northern parts of England. 5 to 7 degrees the afternoon temperature for central and northern parts, 10 to 12 in the south. Sunday, sunny spells after some early fog for Wales, central and southern parts of England. Then for northern England, southern Scotland and Northern Ireland, cloudy with a little bit of rain. And then northern Scotland, dry and bright again. 7 to 9 degrees for central and northern parts, 10 to 12 in the south. Monday, a dry start in South Wales and southern parts of England, some patchy fog. Rather cloudy over northern England, North Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland, a little bit of rain in places, especially in northern Scotland, where it will become windy. Tuesday, bright and dry in the south, cloudy with some rain in places in the north, especially northwest Scotland, and again quite windy in the north, 7 to 9 degrees. Wednesday, not really much of a change. In fact, it's going to stay dry in the south with some sunny intervals and cloudy in the north with rain in places. This especially in Northern Ireland and western Scotland. The winds will ease though at the same time, 6 to 10 degrees. On Thursday, rain will be pushing up from the southwest into Cornwall, West Wales, the borders, parts of Cumbria. There'll be some showers around to the north of it, and it'll be cloudy and mostly dry to the south of it, 6 to 8 degrees. Friday, that band of rain will still be there, but dying out as the day wears on. Sunny spells to the north of it and to the south of it, 5 to 7 degrees. Saturday, a band of cloud with some patchy rain will move east before dying out. Sunny spells following in the west, 4 to 7 degrees. And then on Sunday, a new band of rain will reach western parts, grinding to a halt and dying out. There'll be sunny spells in the east and a touch of early frost and perhaps the odd patch of fog in the west. A bit cooler too at 3 to 6 degrees. So that's it from me. A reasonably quiet week, as I said, no strong winds, no really heavy rain to speak of. Not much frost either, but there will be some around, some fog around it too. Of course, we're heading into December then, aren't we? Anyway, whatever the weather, enjoy yourselves, and I'll see you again next week. Bye-bye for now.